Hi guys, it's Steve from Extreme Car Cleaning. And guess what I have for you? I have some specials. This is our Build-A-Bucket special that's going on until December 30th. Alright, you get your Masterson's wash pail, comes with a grit guard and a nice lid seat. Also comes with a plush drying towel, chenille mitt, snow foam, interior detailer, glass cleaner, and whiskey air freshener. Now this is our basic bucket. This is going on right now for $99. You can get all the items you see here for 99 bucks. Okay, just go to extremecarcleaning.com. Now if you want the deluxe pail, which is the next step up, that comes with our ceramic spray. Now this stuff is fantastic. You can use it on your floor mat, you can use it on your trim, you can use it on your body panels. It's easy to put on, easy to take off. Okay, and if you get the premium pail, which has everything in it, including the Masterson's G2 Vortex foam cannon. Okay, you can get this entire collection for $249 until December 30th only. And the foam cannon, I'm just going to let you guys know, this is a limited supply item. We had a very hard time getting all this stuff here with all the shipping issues that are going on right now. We had a hard time getting these products in before Christmas. So we jumped through some hoops with Greg Masterson. I'd like to thank him while I'm here. Thanks a lot, Greg, for making this happen. And he was able to get us all these products in. Now we ordered a massive amount of product. And in the intro, you can see all the products that we have available to you. Just go to extremecarcleaning.com or extremecarcleaning.shop. Click on our online store and you can check out everything we have. And all those prices are rock solid until December the 30th. After that, the prices are going to go up to our regular price. This foam cannon will no longer be available for $119. Or, like I said, if you buy it in this kit, you actually get the foam cannon for $99 if you buy it in the kit. Alright? And that sale is only going on till December 30th. So if you want this foam cannon, grab it now because it's limited supply. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday.